Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I have two boxes behind me, but I will be unboxing two mystery boxes sent my way from you guys. I'm so excited to be doing this. It's been a while since I've opened up a mystery box from a subscriber. Two of them just arrived and we're just gonna sit back, relax, and have some fun. So if you guys want to see what I got, well then definitely keep on watching. All right, so I actually did open up the first one because I wasn't sure. It just got sent to my P.O Box, and then I opened it up. I was like, oh my God, it's a mystery box. I'm so excited. And the second one's from my really close friend, Mikey, but I figured I'd open it on camera because I know he put some food items in there. So I was like, why not just open it with you guys? So we're just gonna go ahead and dive straight on in, and welcome to day 12 of VLOG-0-WEEN. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on in. All right, so the first box is from Ashley Taylor. I hope I'm saying your name right. First off, she has gorgeous handwriting. I freaking love her handwriting. It's absolutely beautiful, and she's actually gonna be a traveling nurse, so that is freaking amazing. I am so excited for you to go travel around the world and help people out. That is so freaking cool. So thank you so much, Ashley, for taking the time out of your day to send me some items. She actually labeled everything in here to like open up in order, so that's what we're gonna do. I just gotta find number one. So number one, it says time. It says time to start. This is always so cool. I just want to go ahead and say, you guys never have to send me anything. I hope you guys know that. That's like my job to do for you. You guys don't ever have to send me anything. You guys being here is the best gift you guys can ever give me. Ah! The first thing she got me was the NYX, the Marshmallow Primer. Oh my God, that's actually quite hilarious because I'm not going to lie. This right here is mine, and it's literally almost empty, and it's here. I was literally just telling Corey the other day, I was like, oh man, I was like, mine's almost empty. I have to go get a new one. And now I don't have to. Ashley, thank you so much. That's freaking amazing. All right, number two. It says a mini treat for your eyes. Ooh, Ashley, what is this? Oh, it's from Nasha. It's from Natasha Denona. This is the mini X-On palette, or is it Xenon? Is it Xenon? Is that Xenon? Zoom, 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 make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. Wow, this is actually really beautiful. I do not have this. Like the shade right here. Wow, that is so pigmented. Wow, that is actually really beautiful. Holy crap, thank you so much. This actually might come in handy for me trying to do like a werewolf look. So thank you so much, Ashley. That's like perfect timing. Number three, because it's your favorite and a backup for when you run out. Shut the fuck up. What? This is so cool. This is the Urban Decay. This is the 24-hour Glide On pencil in the shade Perversion. You obviously have heard me say this so many times. Guys, I gotta show you this because it's just quite embarrassing. Okay, so don't judge me, but these are all my little Urban Decay. These are the Perversion's 24-hour Glide On pencil. This is the best eyeliner I have ever used when it comes to black color. I always use my ColourPop for any sort of like colors like whites, yellows, anything that has pops of colors. I always use my ColourPop. But when it comes to black, I only ever use my 24-hour Glide On pencil from Urban Decay in the shade Perversion. And I have three of them, and these are how big they actually are. And I literally use all three till like there's like literally like nothing left. So the fact that you stocked me up on two of them is freaking amazing. I love this so much. Thank you so much. Now I can probably stop using these little minis. Oh my God, that's actually really cool. Thank you so much, Ashley. All right, number four, also your favorite and a backup. What? Ooh, what do we have here? Yo, this is amazing. It is the Thrive Mascara. Oh my God, guys, I have been wanting to buy these for so long. Mine was so empty, and I never bought a new one for myself because I just never got around to doing it. I was so freaking lazy. Every time I go into Ulta, I'd never find it either. So I would just be literally using the empty carton to still try to separate my lashes, because this is one of the best mascaras I have ever come across. Like, as much as I love like my Benefit Roller Lash and like the Magnet Mascara, like nothing compares to Thrive Mascara. Thank you so much. This is perfect in time for my wedding. Wow, thank you so much. That's freaking amazing. Thank you, thank you. Because every girl needs some luxury. What? Oh my god. This like probably cost you an arm and a leg. What the heck? Oh my god, this is the Pat McGrath's Divine Blush. Oh. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so freaking beautiful. Oh my god, I'm like scared to touch it. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, thank you so much. Wow. That's probably like a $50 blush. I don't even know how much this costs, but that is so freaking sweet. Thank you so much. Oh, wow, thank you. To go with the tip liner, what does that mean? Tip liner. Oh my god, that's so freaking sweet. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk lipstick. I had gotten their lip liners in a Charlotte Tilbury mystery unboxing, and you put this in here. That is so freaking sweet. I did not have the matching lipstick at all. Wow. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She's really beautiful. Oh my god, wow. Thank you so much. This is such a cool box. Number 7, because you love the brand in red. Ooh. Oh my god, I was literally just the other day watching Michaela do a video on TikTok, and she swatched this red liquid lip. I've never tried this red lip from Fenty Beauty. I've only seen it. I just never tried it. And I literally was gonna go get this. How did you know? Oh my god. It looked beautiful on her. I'm going to have to try this out. Holy shit. That is so beautiful. Oh my god. I love it so much. Wow. I'm putting that right here for me to try. Holy crap. That is absolutely beautiful. It's like blood. It looks like blood, and I love it so much. Wow. Thank you so much. Holy crap, Ashley. For your luscious locks. Like my hair. Oh my god, yes! This is the Briorgio. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Oh my god, I have like 3 little mini ones of these that I keep getting all the minis from like subscription boxes because I haven't got around to getting the full size. Guys, these little masks are so freaking good. Just smells so damn good. It's just really good, especially for someone like me who needs to keep redoing my hair, who needs to keep rehydrating my hair because I do get it dyed. Oh my god, thank you so much. This would be such a perfect mask for my hair. Thank you. And this too, another backup. Yes! Oh my god, thank you so much. Ashley, this was such a beautiful, sweet box. I cannot thank you so much for gifting this to me. You know that you did not have to do it, and you put so much heart and soul into this. Like, you really got me all of my favorite stuff, or stuff that I really wanted to try. So thank you so much, Ashley. I can't thank you enough. It was incredibly sweet of you, and I am so freaking proud of you for what you're doing. And I know that this is after October 8th, so you are already traveling right now, and I'm very proud of you, and I can't wait to write you back and just thank you, because truly you brought me so much smiles today, and I can't say thank you enough, Ashley. Wow, this was unbelievable. Thank you so much. If you guys don't know, Mikey's a really close dear friend of mine. I met him here on YouTube. He's one of the first subscribers I've ever became friends with. So every year we always send each other a bunch of stuff, and I'm kind of curious to see what he put in here. I'm also kind of nervous because I do know he put one item in here for sure that he wants me to try, and I'm kind of a little bitch to try it, but we're gonna check it out. Okay, so one of the first items is from Emma Mitchell, and it is the Mini Mitchell Volume 1 palette. I love that his like palettes come in like these like cool little casings. And oh my god, Mikey is so sweet. He always sends me anything from Emma Mitchell because his brand really is a top-notch brand. I've never really reviewed much of his stuff here on my channel, but I have played around with his palettes because of Mikey. But here we have a little mini palette. Ooh, look at these colors right here. That's beautiful. Ah, that's so cool. Wow. Mikey, thank you. I don't think I've ever opened up one of Mikey's boxes here because he randomly sends me boxes throughout the year, and I do the same thing for him. or like we'll just send each other like random items. So that's actually really sweet. Mikey, thank you so much. Next, he threw in a Thomas Kincaid. This is a 550 piece Star Wars puzzles. If you guys don't know, I don't really know if you guys know, but I know Mikey knows because I talked to him about it a lot. I love doing arts and crafts. Like I love etching and coloring, or like adult coloring, and I love doing puzzles. Now my favorite puzzles to do are the Thomas Kincaid Disney series. So I literally buy all the new Disney puzzles. I build them forever. I build them up and then I frame them and then I give them to my friends as gifts, like whatever like their favorite princess or Disney movie is. If they have that puzzle, I'll go and build it for them. So Mikey knows that, and he made me this Star Wars. He got me the Star Wars one, which that's just really, really freaking cool. I love doing puzzles. I love just putting music in and just escaping and just getting lost in the world of puzzles. Like, that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Mikey. Next, he threw in the Cleanse, Nourish, and Purifying Juno & Co. Balm. This has been going viral all over TikTok, and he asked if I had this a long time ago, and I said no, I never tried it. So he wanted to give this to me to like really try it out to see how well this cleansing balm is. Everybody raves about it online, so I hope it's a really good product. I'll definitely have to give this a go. Thank you. A coloring book that says bullshit. Release your inner anger. 50 swear words to color your anger away. It's like he just knows. He just knows. I love. Oh, that's a great one to land on. Oh, that's another great one to land on. Jesus Christ. This is so cool. That's probably for me because I say bitch a lot. That's freaking awesome. Mikey, thank you so much. That's awesome. All right, he also threw in some vent wraps for my car. Thank you, thank you. And these are one of the items that I knew he was going to throw in here. Was the one chip challenge. I don't know. Now, I don't know if I'm going to try this only because I do have my tooth that has an issue right now. Like I'm on antibiotics. Antibiotics are definitely helping, but I'm still having a little issues. So I don't know if I'm going to try this with my infection. I don't know if I'm going to try this with my tooth being the way that it is right now with like the infection that I'm fighting. I don't know if this is going to irritate it. So I think I might save this for another day for you guys. But he did throw in the one chip challenge. He told me he was putting this in here for me to try because he did it. And you guys know that I don't do spice. I cannot do spice. So I'll definitely have to give this a try. If I try it, I'll definitely show you guys for sure. He also threw in some cotton candy. This is a Dr. Pepper cotton candy. Now he says that this is freaking amazing. He was eating it the other day when he was like, when he called me, and so I'm gonna give this a try. I have never ever heard of cotton candy, Dr. Pepper. Okay, ready? It does look like blood. I shut this loose in my mouth. And he said this tastes like Dr. Pepper. It tastes good, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't taste the Dr. Pepper. Look at that. It does look like blood. Tastes like cherry. It just tastes like cherry. That's what it tastes like. It's actually really good. That's really nice. And then he threw in a little happy Halloween card. So that's freaking awesome. So Mikey, thank you so much. You know I love you and I really appreciate this. You know that you never have to do this. So thank you so much, Mikey. I love you. I do have one more package. This is from Amaryllis Rays. Amaryllis Rays. If I say your name wrong, I'm so sorry, hun. So Amaryllis Rays, she sent me a makeup bag a while ago where it had like my little initial with butterflies on it, and she just wanted to send another thing that has to do with, she just wanted to send one more item that goes with her shop. She sent over a keychain. And she knows that I love the color green, so she wanted to incorporate that in here. I'll make sure I'll link her Etsy shop down below so you guys can check it out. Oh, that's very sweet. She made me a little AD with little green tassel. Oh, thank you so much. That's really beautiful. I really appreciate that. I'll make sure I link her shop down below so you guys can check out her Etsy shop. But Ashley, Mikey, Amaryllis, thank you so much for these wonderful items, guys. You guys know that you guys never have to do this, and it really does mean the world to me that you guys think of me. Just take the time every day to do this. Like, it just means everything. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day in the month of VLOG-0-WEEN. Make sure you guys check out my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you goes to these wonderful page members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!